How to arm ProSeries when you're staying home. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on or arm your ProSeries control panel when you're staying home. First, check to make sure you don't have any windows or doors open. This will show on the left side of the screen. In this case, the basement door is open. Once the door is closed and the system restores, you'll see the green LED come on solid, letting you know you're ready to arm. The LED on the left side shows you have power to the control panel. From the home screen, select ARM. Select ARM Home, which means you're staying home. Enter your user code. At this point, the panel will count down its exit delay, which you see here. It won't beep because you're staying home and don't want to be disturbed. Once the countdown is complete, the system is armed and helping to protect you while you're home. That's all there is to it.